The following contains strong language and mature subject matter. Viewer discretion is advised.
I wonder what happens if I bang my desk in auto tune. I gotta know what that was like.
That is the greatest thing I've ever heard.
This is gonna be a really fucking weird Christmas video.
We are heroes!
You gotta turn this bitch up. That's ODST music.
But I'm listening to my Lofi. Holy shit, okay, got it, turning it up. God damn.
That's how you get what you want, dude.
That was great!
I'm slowly becoming acquainted with punching my desk.
I don't know if it's because I don't know if it's because I'm intimidated or something. If I'm concerned you'll fucking break your wrist.
I see you're a man of culture. Also,
yeah, but you aren't going far enough.
Oh my god. Yeah, it literally sounds like a fucking cage, but like in the basement of like some laboratory somewhere. Oh my god. Yeah, what if you punch from underneath? Okay, same noise.
Where's my voice?
Yeah, so you should smash, but then like, you should smash your desk.
Oh, should I smash with Garbo mic?
Just shoot, like, smash your desk with one, and then smash your desk with another, and just keep changing it. Yeah, go back 2 more. It's like a webcam mic.
that's incredible!
Zoom, speed.
Speed.
Top 10 Destiny clips that'll keep you up at night. Number 4, speed.
Top 10 clips that'll make your toes curl.
Dude, I'm getting
My
bounced.
movement.
Shit! Bro, gamer!
I win, dude.
Ah, my dick! I mean, my head. Same thing.
Hang on.
Scott, remember that time where I was legitimately, like, in a fucking heat of rage? Just banging my desk, and I hit my desk so hard that the Big Time Rush theme started playing.
Yeah! Ah, shit.
What the fuck? The fucking third-party sack of shit!
That's incredible.
Ow! I was dying!
Dude, it literally made my whole night better. I was so upset. They just hit my desk and all I hear is, oh. He is scared. It's because he's a homosexual. Yeah, I really don't know why we're doing this.
Honestly, I'm enjoying doing this.
I wonder if this counts if we finish this. I mean, it's way longer than any other adventure we could have chosen to do.
Honestly, it is, but it's a lot more fun than any other adventure we could have done.
Facts. Oh my god, I'm about to be a lot of dead, and if you catch my drift, it means I'm actually going to die. I don't think I'd want to eat taken butter. That's why you don't got to, right? That's why we're baking it with, raw solar energy. And electricity. And the void. So that way you don't have to eat the taken butter on its own.
Hey, would you like your taken butter with a side of fucking void?
With a side of the infinite void. It's gonna give me nothing, dude, watch.
Claim what has been lost.
Let us out. We got...
Yeah! Perfect.
We get more from a fucking public event. The fuck is that shit? Oh, dude, now I can bake more stuff.
I bake a cake.
I can... We're not going... Just stay the fuck away from Minecraft, guys. There's a territory I will not go in with Twitch chat.
Hey, chat,
I've learned
creeper.
from other streams. Aw, man! Damn it! Hello, Petra. Can I get Puss Puss in return? Or a blue hand cannon? Alright, I see how it is, bitch.
If that's not a friend zone sign, I don't know what is.
Spare a little coochie for the poor. Please, sir. Please, madam, spare a pint of coochie.
I don't know how I feel about that statement, to be honest.
Madam, I crave cooch.
Father, I crave cheddar.
Oh boy, jeez.
Oh god.
Aw,
Oh boy, crippling alcoholism.
Dad?
Dad, is that you? Where have you been for the past 30 years?
You gave me something shitty, you whore. And all the work that I did for you, you fuck.
You gave me something shitty, now I'm sucking on your titties,
Bars, yeah.
You have friends, right?
Yeah, I got friends. I don't got friends in that class.
Well, shit. That's unfortunate.
Yeah.
This is so sad. Despacito play Country Roads.
Stream is ending.
Oh? Oh no.
That's the sound of a hammer going down on people. Oh no.
Well done.
Man of the hour. Recluse.
Gaycluse? I'm pushing him. I pushed him.
Thank you. Now please help me with the laggy fucking warlock. Oh my god, he's so bad.
You're fine.
He's so laggy. We only have 5 people on our team. Why did someone leave?
Recluse, probably.
We were winning. And then someone left. I'm looking at my stream in a new light. And instead of being, you know, the super happy-go-lucky streamer that tries to accept everyone, I'm just gonna meme this shit. I'm just gonna
Fuck your
do it.
shitty Twitch stream with 1 viewer. Never mind. Have a nice day. What?
That's rude. I was at that point once. And I grinded. Now look at me. I'm at the top with a whole 5. At the top. Damn. We've really blowing up out here.
Yeah, we are. It's literally explosions, literally fucking everywhere. Oh my god!
down,
I,
that is
Giorno
a fact,
Giovanna, Avengers Crimson Heroes!
Oh my god.
That's incredible!
What a legend. I'm gonna walk down this hallway as a poor choice. I mean, I'm nuts.
You're in first place.
It still did not work.
What?
Can we
He
get
lived with 2.
3 seconds?
God damn it, Skywalker!
Shut up.
I'm not even kidding you. His name is Anakin Skywalker.
Oh.
Like,
Facts.
literally Anakin Skywalker. I think not Zavala's big nose.
I'm sorry, what?
You heard me.
You heard precisely what I said, fool.
Aw, oh, damn it, Renard, friend of birds. You've got me again.
Was not prepared for your onslaught this time, but I'll be ready for the next.
You may have won this battle, but I will win the war.
For now, this shall not be our final meeting.
I see you're friend of birds. It's very intriguing.
Friend of birds, you say? How about friend of my fist, yeah?
We're fucking funny, dude.
Dude, we're so funny.